this is Jay, and I will be your teacher today. In this lesson, we will learn about safety, as well as fire safety and evacuation here at Haringey Learns. It is very important that we all know what to do to stay safe and protect each other. Health and safety is everyone's responsibility. We all have a role to play in keeping ourselves and others safe. Every environment contains hazards. Hazards are anything that could cause harm, such as slippery floors, damaged electrical sockets, or even fire itself. A hazard becomes a risk when someone could actually be harmed by it. Understanding hazards and risks helps us prevent accidents before they happen. It is also important to be aware of near misses. A near miss is an incident that could have caused injury, but didn't. Reporting near misses allows us to take action and prevent future accidents. If you notice any hazard or anything unsafe, you should report it immediately. This includes abandoned bags or suspicious items, which could pose a serious threat. Reporting these items promptly helps protect everyone in the building. Now, let's focus on fire safety. Before we start, please remember that we will have a fire drill this Wednesday at 10 o'clock in place. The morning. This is only a test, but it is important that we all follow the correct evacuation procedure. Fire safety always starts before an emergency. Never block fire exits or corridors. Do not bring in personal cooking equipment or candles. If you see damaged electrical sockets, wires, or appliances, make sure you report them to staff straight away. Always keep bags and coats out of walkways so that nobody trips during an evacuation. If you hear the fire alarm, it means you must leave the building immediately. Do not stop to collect your belongings. Stay calm, do not run, and follow the nearest green fire exit signs. Always use the stairs and never the lift during a fire alarm. Follow staff instructions at all times and move quickly and quietly to the nearest exit. Once you are outside, go straight to the fire assembly point. For our centre, the assembly point is in the back parking area near Morrison's. Do not go anywhere else, and do not re-enter the building until staff or the fire service say it is safe. Teachers will take a register to make sure everyone is safe and accounted for. If you discover a fire yourself, do not try to fight it unless you have been trained. First, activate the nearest fire alarm call point by breaking the glass. Then leave the building immediately and alert a member of staff. If you need special assistance to leave the building, for example, if you have mobility needs, please let your tutor or the safeguarding team know. We can create a personal evacuation plan to make sure you are supported during any emergency. In the unlikely event of an evacuation due to a terrorist threat, follow the established procedures, stay calm, and move quickly to the assembly point. Always report any abandoned or suspicious items to staff immediately. Finally, remember that fire drills are not just practice. They are a chance to make sure we all know what to do in a real emergency. Take every drill seriously. Stay calm, stay safe, and look out for each other. Thank you for watching this safety and fire evacuation lesson. By following these rules, you are helping to keep yourself and our whole community safe.